It took me almost 2 seconds with a credit card.
They totally thought of that.
He's a survivor. There's a flood, 1 hour.
Smile.
Me and Noah.
Smile, Jack.
I'm in there watching the Bourne Identity.
Smile, Jack. Jack, smile for me there. Having fun?
Oh, yeah, it's wonderful.
Great.
Immortality.
Hey, you know who's going to get a copy of that, right? Anna. Tell her that this is an example of the structural integrity.
What if we already found the beginning part?
I reckon we ought to turn this light off.
You have to go to the fire. What's going on with this room in here? What's in that room?
You know what that is? That's no, that's mud for the drywall. It's all melting.
Oh my God. Insulation.
There is no insulation.
There is no
That's
insulation.
how you do it.
Right. No, I'm with you.
Is there no way they can stop this water?
Well, Paul's here. I don't know. He ran up to 219 to see what he can do.
It's coming from the
You know,
ceiling
I
of...
think it's the sprinkler system. So it's not an easy thing to shut that off.
What's the...
That's a hose. We can put more water on it.
Is anything coming where you say?
It's coming under the floor right here.
I wasn't getting very good pictures of inside 219 because it's too dark.
That's all right. You get pictures right here to get it.
Yeah? Okay.
See, what's like a stop?
Hey, Leslie.
I'm here.
Is this unbelievable?
It's terrible.
We've seen the component that's flooded.
Tell you guys would have been flooded.
You guys, if they hadn't called
we
us,
would've
we would
woken
all
up
in
and-
our pint.
No, they were
You
the
guys,
heroes.
you guys
Right
gotta
here.
look at Ellis
The
Dunning
heroes
on the
are right here,
internet.
Alan and Laura. But I just want Anna.
Now,
Anna, this is the structural integrity that you're talking about. Maybe we should give an award. You have the least amount of water in their apartment.
Terrorized. It's in the fire behind you. Come here, it's okay, honey. Let's act.
Oh, poor Abby. She's only 7 pounds. Another foot of water here, I should be swimming.
Let me get through there and I'll take some from the other side.
I appreciate you coming back from wherever you were.
We were just about to go into...
Where's Laura going?
This looks like we're going to get out here.
Yeah.
Which I told you the goal.
Yeah. Right. Keep it away from your wall too, man.
I unplugged our lights and moved our... This is a disgrace.
Yeah.
What about this poor guy down here, 116?
Well,
You get anything?
I don't know.
I hear voices inside there.
See, now it's starting to pile up here, and now I feel bad. It's awful. We need more brooms, man. Where's Laura go?
Well,
I'd like to see what's going on in 219. Paul went up to 219. I'd like to know what he's doing. Have you talked to him about this? You talked to Paul about it? I'm just curious. Who pays for the last time I've done? Okay.
you go on the internet, in fact, give me the email someday, I'll send you these articles that one of my researchers found that I sent Dave, Ellis Bennett, the builder of this place. There's so much crap on the internet. It's actually a picture of one woman in her apartment in DC, bouncing up and down on her wood floor. Her new wood floor.
Where's this?
In one of their condos that they built. One of the Ellis, one of the rich Ellis buildings.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, man.
They're crap. They make them look good on the outside.
Yeah.
It's basically they're this.
Yeah. No joke. Come on, Paul.
I think at least thanks to you, this water would have been in our apartment. I really appreciate you doing this, let me tell you.
I'm gonna rest in my own seat, man.
You know, I had too much cake for dessert, so I'm losing it right now. Poor Dave without, going
One
to
second.
dinner.
Well,
Of course,
I'm gonna have to go to dinner in a second, because I'm about to fall over with
Oh, you
hunger.
can stay here. Thank you for coming, let me tell you.
Yeah,
Because I only took photographs. Is it still coming out?
Yep.
See, that's tomorrow.
Yeah, I know.
You gotta have that in. You gotta be able to go. You are fine.
I wonder if we could